Did you know that most men begin to experience a drop in testosterone levels after the age of 30? While many men don't start experiencing symptoms until they are in their 60s, there are others who start feeling the effects much earlier. Do you think you might benefit from this type of therapy? Here are some signs that you may be suffering from low testosterone. 1. Fatigue. Do you find it difficult to get out of bed in the morning or that you need a nap later in the day? Some men with low testosterone notice an overwhelming sense of fatigue. Fatigue can occur during certain parts of the day or linger throughout the day and present as sluggishness. Lack of motivation or just an urge to go back to bed even if you got plenty of sleep the night before. 2. Hair loss. If you are experiencing male pattern baldness or other balding issues, it could be genetic. If your father lost his hair early in life, you are over twice as likely to experience the same condition. However, low testosterone can also have an effect on hair loss. If you feel you are not genetically disposed to losing your hair, but are balding anyway, and if you find that you are losing body and facial hair as well, it could be a sign of low testosterone. 3. Loss of muscle mass. Do you find you spend more time in the gym and are getting fewer results? One telltale sign of low testosterone is loss of muscle mass. Prior to actually noticing a physical reduction in muscle, you may experience muscle weakness or find that you just don't have the stamina you're used to when you work out or perform strenuous activities. 4. Sleep disturbances. Considering that fatigue and loss of energy are a few symptoms of low T, many men wish for nothing more than a good night's sleep to help. They feel refreshed again. Unfortunately, if your testosterone levels have plummeted, you may also find it difficult to get the restful sleep you need. 5. Increased body fat. When testosterone lags, estrogen often picks up the slack in the hormone department. When estrogen increases, men not only lose lean muscle mass, but they're also likely to gain fat, especially in the belly and chest areas. Some men will even experience gynecomastia or enlarged breast tissue. 6. Low sex drive. Are you feeling less than romantic in the bedroom? A lowered sex drive is a classic sign of decreased testosterone. The amount of sex drive varies widely from person to person, and there are a number of factors other than low testosterone that can have an effect on it. If you're feeling particularly stressed at work, for example, or going through relationship problems, it's natural to experience some reduced sexual urges. If not much else has changed in your life and you still feel your sex drive isn't what it used to be, it could be a sign of low T.